Feeling overwhelmed by your studies? Struggling to retain information? Let us explore 3 proven study techniques that can transform your learning experience: the Pomodoro Technique, active recall, and spaced repetition. First up, the Pomodoro Technique. Developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s, this time management method breaks your study sessions into 25-minute focused intervals, known as Pomodoros, followed by a 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This approach helps maintain concentration and prevents burnout. Next, active recall. This technique involves actively stimulating your memory during the learning process. Instead of passively reading or highlighting, test yourself on the material. For example, after reading a chapter, close the book and write down everything you remember. By actively retrieving information, you strengthen neural connections, enhancing your ability to remember and apply knowledge. Increasing intervals over time. Instead of cramming, revisit the material periodically to reinforce your memory. Tools like flashcards are ideal for spaced repetition. By spacing out your reviews, you combat the forgetting curve and enhance long-term retention. By incorporating the Pomodoro Technique, active recall, and spaced repetition into your study routine, you can improve focus, enhance memory, and make your learning more effective. Give these methods a try and experience the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your feedback helps us create more content tailored to your needs. Do not forget to check out our other videos for more study tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy studying.